Hey guys, welcome to Tactive channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to uh, make a fake call in your device. So let's go to Play Store first. We need to download an application named Fake Call. This one, the first one. Just click and install it in your device. So after install it, let it scan. Now open this application. After open, just click on, you can see here name option. You can rename this like any rename, any fake name or whatever. It is the phone number. You can change the phone number also. Now you can add your voice here if you want any from here, or then you can see here select device. Here you can choose the any interface. So I'm choosing this one. Sorry for that. Now you can see here schedule call. Click on schedule call, allow. Before that, sorry, go back and you have to set time. Set time, the blue option, and you'll find here within 10 seconds. Click on OK, done, and click on now schedule. Now within 10 seconds you will get calls. Hold on. Oh, before that you have to uh, permission to call this app. So here's the permission. Now wait till it's called. Okay, so guys, you see here that call has come in, and you can cut the call anytime you want, and you can make call again if you want. Just click on schedule call, and within that set time your call will come. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.